Welcome to today's video on 8 tips for better English speaking. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to express your thoughts in English but struggled to find the right words? Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who wants to connect with a global audience, mastering English speaking skills is essential. In this video, I'll share 8 practical tips that will help you speak English fluently and confidently. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Tip 1. Practice regularly. To improve your English speaking skills, regular practice is crucial. Just like any other skill, speaking English becomes easier with consistent use. Set aside time each day to practice speaking, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes. You can start by reading aloud from a book or an article, or even by talking to yourself about your day. This practice helps you become familiar with the rhythm and flow of the language. When should you practice? Try to incorporate it into your daily routine, perhaps during your morning commute or while cooking. Regular practice not only builds your confidence, but also helps reinforce vocabulary and sentence structures. How often do you set aside time to practice speaking? Share your routine in the comments. Tip 2. Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary is essential for effective communication. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself. To expand your vocabulary, try using apps like Quizlet or Anki to create flashcards of new words. Set a goal to learn 5 new words each week, and make it a point to use them in conversations or writing. When you encounter unfamiliar words in reading or conversations, take the time to look them up and understand their usage. This will not only help you in speaking, but also in understanding others better. Remember, the right word can make all the difference in conveying your thoughts. What new words have you learned recently? Share them below. Tip 3. Listen actively. Listening is a vital component of speaking. By listening to native speakers, you can improve your pronunciation and learn how to use phrases and idioms in context. Make it a habit to listen to English podcasts, music, or watch movies and TV shows in English. As you listen, pay attention to how words are pronounced and the intonation used. Try to imitate these sounds when you speak. You can also use subtitles to help you follow along. Active listening will enhance your comprehension skills and make you a more effective speaker. What's your favorite English podcast or show? Let me know in the comments. Tip 4. Record yourself. Recording yourself speaking can be an eye-opening experience. It allows you to hear your pronunciation and intonation, helping you identify areas that need improvement. Use your smartphone or computer to record yourself reading a passage or giving a short speech. Afterward, listen to the recording and take notes on what you can improve. Are there any words you mispronounced? Did you speak too quickly? This self-assessment will help you track your progress over time. When do you think you'll try recording yourself? Share your thoughts with me. Tip 5. Join a speaking club. Engaging with others is one of the most effective ways to improve your speaking skills. Joining a speaking club, whether in person or online, provides you with opportunities to practice in a supportive environment. Look for local clubs or use platforms like Meetup or language exchange apps to find conversation partners. Participating in group discussions or debates can boost your confidence and expose you to different speaking styles. It's also a great way to make new friends. Have you ever participated in a speaking club? What was your experience like? Tip 6. Use language learning apps. In today's digital age, language learning apps can be your best friend in enhancing your speaking skills. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and HelloTalk offer interactive exercises that focus on speaking. You can practice pronunciation through voice recognition features or chat with native speakers to gain real-life experience. Make it a daily habit to spend at least 15 minutes on these apps. The convenience of mobile learning allows you to practice anytime, anywhere. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know. Tip 7. Think in English. Thinking in English can significantly improve your fluency and reduce the time it takes to translate from your native language. Start small by describing your surroundings or your daily activities in English, even if it's just in your mind. This practice helps you become more comfortable with the language and reduces the mental blocks that often come with speaking. Over time, this habit will enable you to express your thoughts more naturally and spontaneously in English. How do you currently think about things? Do you think using English in your thoughts can help? Share your thoughts. Tip 8. Don't fear mistakes. Finally, remember that making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Every fluent speaker has made errors along the way, and it's essential to embrace them as opportunities for growth. When you make a mistake, analyze what went wrong and use it to improve. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back from speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Encourage yourself to take risks in your conversations. What mistakes have you learned from in your journey to speak English? I'd love to hear your stories. To recap, we've explored 8 tips to enhance your English speaking skills. Practice regularly, expand your vocabulary, listen actively, record yourself, join a speaking club, use language learning apps, think in English, and don't fear mistakes. Implementing these tips can help you become a more confident and fluent speaker. Remember, improvement takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning tips. What tip are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below.